Kasakai Amchi Mumbai, what's up? Namaskar. We all set to kickstart the Mumbai level auditions. Enthusiastic participants have queued up. They're waiting from quite a long time. And hashtag finally, we are all set to kickstart these beautiful auditions in Amchi Mumbai. Well, Amchi Mumbai has been a special hunting ground for our talent hunt competition. Talking about special, we've got two special people in the house who have roped in their time and come in and grace the occasion to judge our enthusiastic participants. Well, firstly, we have Mr. Gladson Peter. Well, he's been playing music since the age of 3. A God-given talent of picking up instruments in a very short period, he says. His main instruments are drums, piano, ukulele. He's a composer, singer, songwriter. He's currently part of 6 bands, owns a cappella team and trains many enthusiastic, talented people as well. Well, currently he has one-man band playing 13 different instruments at one go. First and only one of its kind in India. It's privileged to have Mr. Gladson Peter as one of our esteemed judges for these beautiful auditions. So, sir, thank you so much for coming out here and gracing our occasion with your precious time. Well, that is the first man in the house who will be judging our participants. Next up, we have Reverend Dr. Cecil Clements. Well, he's a founding pastor of the church at Powai. He has degree from Houston School of Music. He's director of Sahata Singers, director of the church at Powai Choir. He has trained the Ben Hinn Choir in Mumbai. With 2 extremely talented judges in the house, it will be very difficult, I'm sure, for the participants to impress both of them. Well, both our judges are set. Our participants are all ready. It's time to kickstart Amchi Mumbai's auditions.
Okay, wonderful people. I have so many people coming in with lot of different qualities. और कुछ लोग तो like have great music and great passion and great zeal for Christ. और एक और contestant हमारे साथ है जिनका जो बहुत passionate और zealous है प्रभु यीशु में. इनका नाम है साजन जॉन. आप कौन से चर्च से आते हैं?
हम लोग हैं फेलोशिप मिनिस्ट्री सानपाड़ा.
फेलोशिप मिनिस्ट्री सानपाड़ा. ये ऑल द वे वाशी से आए हैं ऑडिशन के लिए. दैट शोज द पैशन फॉर म्यूजिक एंड फॉर क्राइस्ट. आपने पहले कहीं ऑडिशन दिया है?
या एक बार दिया है. वो इंटर चर्च था, आई थिंक बोरीवली में किधर तो था.
तो आप अपने चर्च में वर्शिप लीड करते हैं?
वर्शिप लीड पहले करता था, अभी दूसरे लोग करते हैं.
अच्छा.
आई हैव द स्मॉल एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ दैट.
ओके, दैट्स रियली ग्रेट. प्रेज गॉड. सो एज पर साजन जॉन, वर्शिप इज द बेस्ट कॉन्टैक्ट of God. If you really want to please God and get in touch with God, you need to worship. That's what exactly. So I hope and pray that you would get selected in the round and you could be a testimony for thousands of people to come in. Thank you. It was Sergeant John and he had a very good message. Worship is really very important. Without worship, whatever you do, it doesn't really matter. So you need to worship as much as possible.
Hello. My name is Sergeant John. I'm coming from Vashi, and today the song which I'm going to sing before you is a Hindi song, Tuj bin mere hai masiha, which was sung by Vijay Benedict. Tuj bin mere hai masiha, ye jeevan bhi kya hai, jo tere dar pe na aaye, ये जीना भी क्या है, तुझ बिन मेरे ऐ मसीहा, ये जीवन भी क्या है, जो तेरे दर पे न आए, ये जीवन भी क्या है. पापों का सागर ये कैसा बढ़ता ही जा रहा है, पापों का सागर ये कैसा बढ़ता ही जा रहा है, ऐसी दशा से बचाकर नैया पार लगा दे, ऐसी दशा से बचाकर नैया पार लगा दे, तुझ बिन मेरे ऐ मसीहा, ये जीवन भी क्या है, जो तेरे दर पे न आए, ये जीवन भी क्या है.
I don't think you need to introduce a song as a song that Vijay Benedict sings. You can say Sajan John sings it. That your name, yeah, did very well.
Thank you so much.
Very well. I love the way you brought out the lyrics, just the way you emoted as well. Good. You have a lovely voice, very listenable voice.
Thank you so
And that beckons one to pay attention to what you. I pray that you will do more of this. Excellent job today.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So I am really looking forward to you in the next round, and I'm sure with the whole background music and everything, it'll add a lot more to which you already have. It's already bright and shining, and I think with music it'll be all the more brighter. So all the best and
Thank you.
congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Well, we have a gentleman, Mr. Sajan, who has entered from past 5 minutes. I'm just waiting कि उनका auditions कैसे हुआ होगा. बहुत ही शांत थे, calm and composed. देखते अंदर जाके उन्होंने कौन सा sixer मारा है, right? So let's search for Sajan. Hey, how was it, buddy?
Yeah, it was really great. It was wonderful. For me, it's a very a refreshing experience in my life. Because this is my just second audition, I guess, in my life. So I'm really glad to have good judges, good the environment, and I was able to give my best.
Well, normally जब auditions clear करते हैं, we jump for joy. As we said, Sajan is calm and composed. Even after clearing the auditions, he's like completely calm and composed. That's really nice of you, sir. So, what are the comments and the feedback you got from the judges?
Yeah, they said that they liked my voice, they liked the tone, and they said that they're looking forward to see me in the next round, and it would be great when all the musicians will come together and my voice will be mingled with them. So they are just looking forward it so that I move forward.
Yes, indeed. Big J has hit a jackpot by organizing such a cute and very amazing competition which normally doesn't cater to the youth around. So that's how we've got this person, Mr. Sajan, who's cleared the auditions. All the best for future rounds, sir. Well, that was Sajan for you. As I said, he was calm and composed. Quietly he came. They say he came, he saw, he conquered. Yes, that was Mr. Sajan for you. Calm and composed, you came in. Calm and composed, he walked out, clearing the auditions from Amchi, Mumbai. Thank you.
Are you big singer Boje? Are you big singer Boje?
Hey guys, we've seen a lot of handsome guys walking in with their guitars in their hand. We've got one more handsome hung out here. Same, we've got Colin out here who has got a 240 volt smile on his face. So let's see what Colin has in store for us. Hey Colin, what's up? How are you?
Hi, I'm doing good.
So how excited are you for this audition?
It feels very much excited, in fact, to sing for the Big J, and it gives an opportunity to all the singers out here and to show our talents. So that feels great enough.
Okay, Mr. Colin seems to be all excited and with 0% of nervousness, I believe, yes?
Absolutely.
So how have you been preparing yourself for this auditions, Collins?
The thing is, like, I have never practiced, but I am quite confident enough because I lead praise and worships. So and it's all God's will and His purpose that I am here. Yeah.
So now we know where does this chokra get all his confidence from. It's right from above. Yes, because he leads so many praise and worship. That's why he seems to be standing here so much booming in confidence. So all the best to you, Collins. Cheers. We are waiting for you to meet you after the auditions.
Thanks a lot. Yeah.
So that was Collins for you, जो बहुत ही confident थे. तो देखते हैं उनका auditions कैसा होता है. ये confidence क्या जादू कर बैठेगा judges के ऊपर. So let's watch out Collins for you.
Hello, my name is Colin Clifford Amanna, and I'll be singing an Eastern song that's Ho Teri Stuti Aur Aaradhna. Ho Teri Stuti Aur Aaradhna, करता हूँ मैं तुझसे ये प्रार्थना, महिमा से तेरी तू इस जगह को भर, जो भी तू चाहे तू यहाँ पे कर. हालेलुया, 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 हालेलुया. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. करुणा से तेरी नया दिन दिखाता है, डाल बनकर मेरी मुझे बचाता है। जब मैं पुकारूं तू दौड़ आता है, जब मैं गिरूं मुझे उठाता है। Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. आराधनी यीशुविके, आराधनी यीशुविके, हो आराधनी यीशुविके, आराधनी यीशुविके. ನಿನ್ನನ್ನೇ ನಾ ಕೊಂಡಾಡುವೆ, ನಿನ್ನನ್ನೇ ನಾ ಪ್ರೀತಿಸುವೆ, ನಿನ್ನನ್ನೇ ನಾ ಭಜಿಸುವೆ ನನ್ನ ಯೇಸುವೆ. ನಿನ್ನನ್ನೇ ನಾ ಪ್ರೀತಿಸುವೆ, ನಿನ್ನನ್ನೇ ನಾ ಭಜಿಸುವೆ, ನಿನ್ನನ್ನೇ ನಾ ಹಾಡುವೆ ನನ್ನ ಯೇಸುವೆ. ಆರಾಧನೆ ಯೇಸುವಿಗೆ, ಆರಾಧನೆ ಯೇಸುವಿಗೆ, ಓ ಆರಾಧನೆ ಯೇಸುವಿಗೆ, ಆರಾಧನೆ ಯೇಸುವಿಗೆ.
I think you did an amazing job in this song. But I kind of feel that probably in the second song that you mixed in, you were struggling in the bit of lows, and also I think when you were trying to get to the lows, you were kind of losing breath also. But I really love how you throw your voice out. You know, even if you didn't sing on the mic, there's a lot of throw, and that is one of the most important things that a lot of people miss out on, and you've got that. Yeah,
Thank you.
Yeah, so I really enjoyed it. It was a fairly good performance.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
Clifford, I did too. I enjoyed it as well. You brought the song home, I think, which is what singing is about, isn't it? If you can take the composer's song and then bring it to an audience
Yes.
in the best way possible, and I think you did that. You played the guitar very well.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
I think both of us are fine with sending you on to the next round. I would say spend a little bit of time polishing up vowels.
Yes.
All right, the E, the O, the U. Okay, make sure that your lips purse around the right. Once you can, if you just practice that, you'll start singing much better as well, and that will allow you to have better control over your tone.
Yes,
but
sure.
Good luck.
Thanks a lot.
Congrats.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Congrats.
ओके, तो आपने कुछ वक्त पहले देखा था कि एक हैंडसम जेंटलमैन अंदर गए थे जिनका नाम कॉलिन क्लिफर्ड था, जो अच्छा खासा गिटार भी बजा लेते हैं. तो वो हम उनके रिजल्ट्स के लिए वेट कर रहे हैं. तो अब जैसे ही वो बाहर आएंगे हमें पता चलेगा कि वो सिलेक्टेड है या नहीं. सो आई हैव ओके, सो योर स्माइल सेज टेल मी दैट okay, that's wonderful. So you have got your platform, you have just started the journey. How are you?
Yes, it feels very much excited, and I'm thankful to God for bringing me to the next round, and His grace and blessings are always with me. That's what I believe.
What was the feedback given to you?
Feedback, there are certain things where I need to make certain corrections in my pronunciations and much more technical aspects as well. So that feels good, in fact, to get the opinions from the judges as well. because that's what makes a person, a participant, polished. That's what I believe.
So the next level will be tougher. So what are your preparations for that?
The preparations, it would be like I leave up to God, and it's all my hard work again. So that would carry me on.
Thank you so much for that. So yes, he is selected for the next round, and you will see him in another stage giving tough competition to his competitors. Thank you.
Big J TV presents Big Singer for J. Program sponsors Kane Properties, Udupi, Silas International School, Udupi, Lombard Memorial Hospital, Udupi, Impra Refrigeration Sales and Service, Udupi and Mangalore, SPS Fabrics, Super Bazaar, Udupi, Bethel Higher Primary English Medium School, Kunjibettu, Udupi, the Solfa Western Music Professional School, Mangalore, Autoland, Kinnimulki, Udupi, Western Institute of Technology, Mangalore, Imuna Masalas, Angel Auto Services, Chandivelli, Mumbai.
Are you big singer Jay? Are you big singer Jay?
ओके सो इन ब्यूटीफुल लेडीज़ के बीच में लड़के भी कुछ कम नहीं है, अब लड़के भी आ ही रहे धीरे धीरे करके। हमारे बीच में एक कंटेस्टेंट है जिनका नाम वीरू गुप्ता है, बोरीवली से आए हैं। हेलो, कैसे हैं आप?
मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ।
अच्छा, आप यहाँ पे सिंगिंग के लिए आए?
हाँ।
सिंगिंग आपका पैशन है, आपको पसंद है?
हाँ, सिंगिंग बहुत पसंद है।
तो आप कैसे, मतलब आपको कैसे पता चला कि आप अच्छा गा लेते हैं? किसी ने आपको सिखाया या फिर वो इनबिल्ट था या फिर?
एक्चुअली ये थोड़ा बहुत सिखाने सा भी था और इनबिल्ट भी था। लाइक मैं सिंगिंग में बहुत इंटरेस्टेड था बचपन से, बट कोई कुछ होप नहीं, बट गॉड है, वो सब देखते हैं। तो सो ही हेल्प मी आउट। तो हमारे पास्टर ने हमको इनकरेज किया कि तुम आप अच्छे गा सकते हो, तो आप प्रैक्टिस करो ये सब चीज़ के लिए और आप आगे बढ़ो। तो उस हिसाब से मैंने आगे मैंने और ट्राई किया, थोड़ा बहुत क्लासेस गया, लेकिन उसके बाद मैंने सब गॉड के हाथ में सरेंडर किया और बाद में सब ऐसा करते करते मैं आज सिंगिंग करता हूँ। तो यही मेरा पैशन है, सिंगिंग मेरे लिए सब कुछ है। मैं जो भी करता हूँ सिर्फ गॉड के लिए।
सो आप देखते हैं कितने पैशनेट हैं लोग सिंगिंग के क्राइस्ट जीसस के लिए, दैट दे ओनली वांट टू यूज़ देयर टैलेंट फॉर द ग्लोरी ऑफ गॉड। सो इसी तरह से हमें भी अपना जो भी टैलेंट है, जो भी ब्लेसिंग हमें मिली है, वो हमें परमेश्वर के राज्य में उसे बढ़ाने के लिए यूज़ करना चाहिए रहता है।
My name is Veeru Gupta and I'll be singing a Hindi song which is called मेरी ये जिंदगी। ना जानू मैं क्या मैं हूँ, ना जानू मैं क्या मैं हूँ, बस यहाँ हूँ प्रभु, बस यहाँ हूँ प्रभु। मेरी ये जिंदगी तेरी अमानत है, तुझको सजदा मिल जाए इस दिल की पुकार है। मेरी ये जिंदगी तेरी अमानत है, तुझको सजदा मिल जाए इस दिल की पुकार है। यीशु 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 अब ना कोई चिंता ना कोई डर है, चरणों में तेरे बैठूं ख्वाहिशें बनी है। अब ना कोई चिंता ना कोई डर है, चरणों में तेरे बैठूं ख्वाहिशें बनी है। मेरी ये जिंदगी तेरी अमानत है, तुझको सजदा मिल जाए इस दिल की पुकार है। मेरी ये जिंदगी तेरी अमानत है, तुझको सजदा मिल जाए इस दिल की पुकार है.
Good singing, Viru. Do you sing often?
Yeah, actually I lead praise and worship in my church.
You lead worship in your church, is it? Okay. All right. I liked what I heard. I think here and there, just a little bit on pitching is what you'll need to work on. And tempo a bit. Kind of lost a bit of tempo in the middle while you were playing there. But apart from that, I think you did well. You have a very pleasing voice, and I think you're going to find that there are many people who enjoy your singing.
Yeah, actually, you got a really nice and pleasing voice. In fact, the parts where you put a little more energy in the song, or the parts where you take a little high pitch, I like that bit, because it feels like you're taking an effort and you're trying to do it. So I think if you work on that much better, then it'll sound really amazing. And it was a beautiful performance actually. So congratulations, you're on the next round. Yeah.
Kasakai Mumbai, the auditions are going on in full swing at Amchi Mumbai. We've got Viru, our participant who just went in some time back. तो देखते हैं कि वीरू पाजी ने छक्का मारा कि नहीं. ठीक है. So searching for Viru. There is Viru for us. So Viru छक्का मारा कि नहीं आपने वीरू पाजी की तरफ? मारा. So how was the auditions, buddy?
Actually the auditions was very good and I enjoyed, and finally I got selected.
Yes, hashtag finally got selected. That's what he is saying. So कैसा था judges का response?
Like उनको they enjoyed very much. Like उनको मेरा singing बहुत पसंद आया. But थोड़ा ऐसा places है जहाँ पर मुझे they told me to work on it. So yeah, I'll do more hard work now.
There we have the youth of Amchi Mumbai coming out here, giving auditions for Big J TV, and this is Viru for us, who just cake walk जैसा clear कर रहे हैं. जैसे वीरू भाई छक्का मारते थे, उन्होंने छक्का मारते हुए ऐसे auditions clear कर दिया. So Viru, all the best for your future rounds. Yes, all the best, buddy. Congratulations once again. जी ये थे वीरू हमारे पास आमची मुंबई से, जो बहुत ही प्यारा गाते हैं. आप हम सभी लोगों ने सुना अभी, तो उन्होंने तो ऑडिशंस क्लियर कर दिया है. आइए देखते हैं बाकी लोग कैसे फेयर कर रहे हैं अपने ऑडिशंस में.
Are you big singer Boje? Are you big singer Boje?
कि आपने तो वो फेमस पोएम सुनी होगी जो हम नर्सरी में गाते हैं, ट्विंकल ट्विंकल लिटिल स्टार. सो इतने सारे स्टार्स, स्काई के स्टार्स सारे उनके शर्ट पे लेके आ रहे हैं. मेरे साथ यहाँ पे सोनू जी जो बोरिवली से है. कैन यू लुक एट हिज स्टार्स, सो मेनी स्टार्स. परमेश्वर ने जितने तारे बनाए थे सब अपने शर्ट में जोड़ लिए हैं. अच्छा, तो आप यहाँ पे सिंगिंग के लिए मतलब आपका पैशन है या फिर
ये एक्चुअली ये मुझे गॉड गिफ्ट है. मैं सिंगिंग का तो मुझे बचपन से शौक था, बट कभी मैंने इतना ध्यान नहीं दिया. मेरी ये इच्छा थी कि मैं इंडियन आइडल में जाऊँ, बट जब मैं प्रभु में आया तो फिर मेरा जो दिल है वो चेंज हो गया पूरा. और मैंने ये तय किया कि मैं सिर्फ प्रभु के लिए गाऊँ, यीशु मसीह के लिए सिर्फ मैं सिंगिंग करूँ. और मैं आज गाने कंपोज भी करता हूँ, मैं खुद लिरिक्स लिखता हूँ. तो ये सिर्फ मुझे गॉड गिफ्ट है और खुद का तो कुछ नहीं कह सकता मैं, जो भी है प्रभु का अनुग्रह है. मेरा नाम सोनू है और मैं बोरीवली से आया हूँ. जो तू बड़े मैं घटू, ये गाना मैं यहाँ पे गा रहा हूँ. तू बड़े मैं घटू, मेरे जीवन से महिमा तुझे मिले. तू बड़े मैं घटू, मेरे जीवन से महिमा तुझे मिले. स्तुतियों के बीच में विराजमान प्रभु, तू बड़े और मैं घटू. स्तुतियों के बीच में विराजमान प्रभु, तू बड़े और मैं घटू. तू बड़े मैं घटू, मेरे जीवन से महिमा तुझे मिले। तू बढ़े मैं घटूं, मेरे जीवन से महिमा तुझे मिले। तेरे नाम के लिए जिए हम, यीशु नाम के लिए जिए हम। तेरे नाम के लिए जिए हम, यीशु नाम के लिए जिए हम। तू बढ़े मैं घटूं, मेरे जीवन से महिमा तुझे मिले। तू बढ़े मैं घटूं, मेरे जीवन से महिमा तुझे मिले।
I think you brought that presence and that feel. It was really nice. I mean, at some point I would have wished the song be a little faster, but then I think you also set a right pace to it. You just need to work a little bit on if you can present a little more power to the song, you know. I think because it's a really powerful song. You already did a beautiful job, but a little more effort on bringing it out, I think it'll sound really nice.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I think for me too, Sonu, I enjoyed the song. I was drawn into worship. Just you sang with your eyes closed. It was a song to Him, not to judges. I liked that, and but I also agree with Mr. Gladson here that you can break up the monotony a little bit. The song gets monotonous after some time. You know, it's a very plaintive kind of a tune. So do a little bit of creativity, maybe with tempo or with the modulation of your voice. But overall, excellent job, and I think we have no problem in sending you to the next round. Congratulations.
ओके फ्रेंड्स, तो आपने देखा कि किस तरह से एक स्टार टी शर्ट पहने हुए एक आदमी ऑडिशन के लिए गए थे। हम वेट कर रहे हैं कि वो सिलेक्ट होते हैं कि नहीं सिलेक्ट होते हैं, वो सच में एक सितारा बनते हैं या नहीं, हम अभी देखेंगे। हम जस्ट वेट कर रहे हैं उनके लिए। ओके, वो यहाँ पे ही है गिटार हाथ में लिए। तो क्या आप सच में तारे ज़मीन पर आ गए आपके?
यस सिलेक्ट हो गया मैं प्रभु को धन्यवाद देता हूँ। एक्चुअली मेरी भी यही इच्छा थी। जब मैं वहाँ पे गाने गया तो जो जज लोग थे वो लोग ने भी बोला कि आप यहाँ पे गा रहे हो, लेकिन आप खुद के लिए नहीं या हमारे लिए नहीं, लेकिन आपने सच में परमेश्वर को ये गाना दिया है कि तू बढ़े मैं घटूं, मेरे जीवन से महिमा तुझे मिले। तो ये गाना मैंने वहाँ पे गाया। मैं धन्यवाद देता हूँ परमेश्वर को कि सच में मेरे जीवन में यही थी मेरी इच्छा कि हमेशा प्रभु बढ़े और मैं घटूं, और आज वही हुआ है।
प्रेज गॉड। लेकिन जब ऐसा हम करते हैं तब परमेश्वर हमें अपने आप
मैं ये बात को मैं भी मानता हूँ, क्योंकि मेरे जीवन में बहुत सारी ऐसी गवाही है जो मैं अभी यहाँ पे दे नहीं सकता, बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, लेकिन अभी भी कुछ ऐसा ही हुआ, तो मैं परमेश्वर को धन्यवाद देता हूँ।
तो आपने देखा किस तरह से परमेश्वर की महिमा के लिए उन्होंने गाया और परमेश्वर ने उनको ऊपर उठाया उसी वजह से। तो इसी तरह से परमेश्वर की महिमा के लिए आप गाते रहिए और परमेश्वर आपको ऊंचा ज़रूर उठाएगा।
Big J TV presents Big Singer for J. Program sponsors Kane Properties Udupi, Silas International School Udupi, Lombard Memorial Hospital Udupi, Impra Refrigeration Sales and Service Udupi and Mangalore, SPS Fabrics Super Bazaar Udupi, Bethel Higher Primary English Medium School Kunjibettu Udupi, the Solfa Western Music Professional School Mangalore, Autoland Kinnimulki Udupi, Western Institute of Technology Mangalore, Imuna Masalas, Angel Auto Services Chandivelli Mumbai.